Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to determine the break-even unit by applying Google Sheet or Excel sheet. Those are both same, all function and all more or less basic functions are all same in both applications. So first, in order to determine the break-even unit, we need to have a fixed cost, which we can indicate it as F is fixed cost per unit time, and we need to have the variable cost. Uh, Fixed cost is always fixed in the certain time and interval. So variable cost will increase or decrease in the production in time in the time interval. So variable cost unit per unit product, and we need to have the number of unit produced, number of units produced, and we need to have the revenue per unit, revenue per unit, and X is indicate the break-even unit. So we need to know the formula, in order to get the break-even unit, we need to say the formula, which is X equal to fixed cost by fixed cost by revenue per unit minus variable cost. So in order to get the break-even unit, we need to put the values in here and put this cell as this formula. So we need to, in order to insert a function, we need to give equal sign in the starting, and we put value fixed cost here. So it is fixed cost divided by revenue per unit minus minus variable cost per product. So enter. So as you can see, there is no value because we didn't put any values in here, fixed cost, variable cost, or revenue per unit. So let me put the border here and here, and call it as break even units. So when we put values in here, it will show the number of break even units of any kind of product. Suppose we have a product which fixed cost is $7,000 and variable cost is suppose $5 per unit, and revenue per product 8 unit. So as you can see, we get the break-even unit. So if we round it up, because unit cannot be fractional, so we need to, when it comes to a break-even unit, so we need to round it up. So in order to now round it up, we need to put equal sign and write round up function and select this cell. and press enter. So as you can see, we have values here which is shown that we need to produce 2334 units product unique products uh, in order to get a revenue of 8 unit $8 per unit. So this is the formula, and we can, if we change the value here, if we put 8,000, it will automatically change and give the give desired values. Hope you understand the break-even unit determination.